This is actually really simple stuff. You know, you want the funky stuff coming off the road, catch the floaties and the sinkers is most of, that's like 95% of it. Catch the floaties and the sinkers. And then much clearer water comes out. And then out of that, then a biological element. And then plus getting water to move is good. But you want times when the water settles and times when the water moves. And they each clean in a different way.
Right.
And timing is important.
I think it's also important to emphasize that this is transferable anywhere. It's not like a Southern California technique, and it's scalable. You don't need 7 acres like we're on to do this. You could do this in a smaller setting. You're just condensing everything down into a smaller size.
We're going to at least seal a pond. We're going to build at least one swale, and we're going to build at least one hugelkultur bed. The techniques that we're talking about, I mean, we're talking about how simple and easy it is. We are emulating how a pig makes a wallow.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all we're doing. And so many people, it's like, oh, I'm going to build a pond, so I have to spend $5,000 to buy a rubber liner of EPDM to put in my pond. And then you have this black rubber stuff around the edges. And it's like, I mean, and, you know, plus the rubber, I'm not sure how rubber it really is or how much of it's made out of some sort of petroleum.
A lot of them are PVC products, and it's the same as pipe. It's petroleum right in the product, yeah.
And they leak. So it's kind of like, this is a natural, far superior technique. Easier, cheaper, faster.
I did some calculations. There's a lot of hardscape up here, roofs, parking lots, things like that, horse stables. And I calculated about 350,000 gallons will come down this road during a 14-inch year of rain. And what happens is it all comes down the road, and the road starts to camber this way, and it shoots the water right down this driveway here.
And you get like a little river.
We get a little river, and it just goes straight to the creek. The road is lower than the rest of the hillside. So I'm hoping to catch that water and bring it in to hydrate our hill and maybe have a couple ponds.
And the mission is that rather than just having this water destroy what you have, which is kind of what it's doing now, to see if you can get that water to hang around and work for you during the dry season.
Exactly.